Haria hothe ogikorwo ri thiini wa bururi wa Kenya rondo mwe na nja wa bururi rire ni ikereka ria keri ni gututhie na mbere na kumenyithia mohoro maria tukuhaririirie hwaini uyu wa muthe. Kiama kia atongoria ya University KUSO ni mamenereirie kuragwo kwa murutwo wa University ya Moi muthenya wa ira guko makihoya itacukia rinene ria kiwatho riko rikionekera kana rikioerwo mundurume uria urakorwo agitabania njuragano ino.
Ivy Wangeci arakorirwo akiuragwo riria raumaga thibitari-ini wa Moi Teaching and Referral Hospital kuria arari mathomo-ini make ma kiroko. Uhoro uyu makiria twamukire kuma kuri mwandiki witu wa mohoro no wanja wa Muru.
Arutwo a university ni manogetio ne ikuo cia arutwo a gikiro giki ni kuona ati aingi ao maria maroragwo ni gikiro kia university.
It is time for us to get justice. The several deaths we've been having, the several murders, the several extrajudicial killings of comrades who are intellects, who are brainy, who are very, very hard-working students must come to an end.
How many will we lose in the hands of these senseless murderers? And how safe are the comrades in campuses?
Kiama kia arutwo a university nikio KUSO ni macemanitie na kumenereria gikuo kiria kirahanikire muthe wa ira kia murutwo uria yoikaine ta Ivy Wangeci.
Investigative agents who are charged with probing such to do their job and tell us the measures in place to ensure that there is no repeat of such.
Atongoria aya ni maugite ati matiko mukagina matigirire ati ni makinyira kihoto kia murutwo uyu uri urari wa medical school ya Eldoret.
He was killed by a married man. This is what I want to say to all the married men out there. All those men who think that now that they have money, they can come and control ladies in campuses. At once they are done with them, they can kill and do whatever it is that they want to do. It is a message we are sending to you. We are warning you. We are coming for you. We look for you. And once we look for you, we'll forgive you unapologetically. We'll look for you and trust you me, once we find you, you're not going to like it. Comrades, ria! Comrades, power!
Ohoni mathiete na mbere na kuga ati ni megubanga mucemanio na CEO nigetha maranirie uria mangitigirira ati arutwo aya ni makorwo na ugitiri wa kuigana.
Going to set a friendly meeting with the CEO, Mr. Ringera, and you're telling them that Anniversary Tower is still made of glass. So we want comrades to eat chicken, so that our ladies will not have to move out of campuses and be targeted by these other individuals. So what we are advising is that help disbursement also should be soon enough and should be prompt.
Ohoni mugite ati ni mekunyitanira na aria mareka uthuthuria nigetha matigirire ati ni makinyira kihoto giake. Ohoni meguthi na mbere na kunyitirira family ino ihinda-ini riri.
University Students Organization, Kenya University Students Organization known as KUSO, joins family, friends and the entire Moi University fraternity in mourning and promise not to tire until justice is served.
Girifot Gikuyu TV, Jeta Waja wa Muru.
Togethie na mbere ni ati riri ciiko cia unyitani wa kiahinya kuri ciana ni cia twiri cithiete na mbere na kwiyumiria. Murugamiri wa atumia kaunti-ini ya Lamu Luwenda Ombo nendekithitie arume othe aria maikio ngono thutha wa gutabania ciiko icio makorwo makirutwo ciiga ciao cia thiri.
Ombo augite ndarona gitumi kia mundurume gukorwo agitumwo njera thutha wa gutabania giiko ta giki kuona ati muthini ni matwikaga a kurekererio na gucokereria ciiko ici undu uria ukoragwo wigite muingi ugwati-ini.
Ndio kwa yule ambaye atakuwa convicted that amefanya makosa akienda kule jela, hiyo kitu ikiwa temporary hiyo haifanyi, kwa sababu haya majenga huku yamezidi. Badala kuikata afadhali tusikate, akae nayo hiyo gadget, lakini sifanye kazi. Watoto wanamalizika huku, especially hapa Hindi.
Togethie thiini wa kaunti ya Mombasa ni ati muingi kuma itura ria Bangladesh ni marorunganite ni undu wa wagi wa mai gwa kahinda ka mieri 3.
Marina Matokoya ni maugite ati rori ya mumwe iria irakoragwo ikimatamberia mai mecii ni ikoretwo ikitio ngono ni maabitha a borithi undu uria uratuma makorwo makigiika.
Maji tangu mwaka jana tunaelekea mwaka mmoja na kitu tukiwa hatuna maji. Tegemeo peke yake ya maji hapa Mombasa na hapa Bangala ni Mombasa Cement. Habari ambazo zimetufikia jana hadi kufikia sasa, gari letu moja la Mombasa Cement limekamatwa. Na hiyo ndio sosi ya maji hapa Bangala na maeneo mengi ya Mombasa. Kwa hivyo tunawaambia kitu kimoja. Mombasa Cement habebi bangi, habebi madawa ya kulevya wala pombe. Analete maji kwa ajili ya uhai, na maji ni uhai. Kwa hivyo tunauliza, ikiwa maji ni uhai, na mshike gari ya Mombasa Cement ambayo inatuletea uhai wetu, mwataka kutuangamiza ama mwataka kutufanyia nini? Gari ya Mombasa Cement iachiliwe na watu waachie gari tuletee maji. Hilo tu ndio ombi letu.
Kumana na ng'aragu nene ĩrĩa ĩthiĩte na mbere na kũgũmĩra icigo citiganĩte gũkũ bũrũri-inĩ, atumia a rũrĩrĩ rwa ũkabi nĩ meiganĩtie na wendia wa mĩgathĩ na mĩgeka na gũtigĩrĩra atĩ biacara ĩno nĩ yakorwo ĩkĩmahe ũboco wa oro mũthenya. Atumia aya arĩa maumĩte gĩcagi kĩa Enkinya Kajiado nĩ maugĩte atĩ meyũmbĩte marĩ gĩkundi nĩguo matigĩrĩra atĩ nĩ mateithania mũndũ ũmwe na ũrĩa ũngĩ.
Kama wametoka manyumbani kuja kufanya kazi tofauti. Zamani tulikuwa tu tunauza maziwa peke yake. Mtu anaenda kukaa nyumbani bila kazi nyingine.
Pata hii mradi ya Laramata ya Madam Leina. Tumepata changamoto, sasa tunauza mashanga, tunashona nguo, tuko na mashini, tunashona manguo ya watoto wa shule.
Nema heyo nĩ riboti njega mũno makĩria kuona atumia nĩ meiganĩtie na biacara ĩrĩa marĩhagĩra ũboco wao mũthenya. No akĩigua atumia rĩngĩ na rĩngĩ makoragwo makĩrora iria igũrũ no rĩithia. No rĩu gwa kahinda gaka maugĩte nĩ wega makorwo makĩingĩrania na biacara ĩno nĩguo gwĩcarĩria ũboco wa oro mũthenya. Nĩguo na nĩ ũgĩkoretwo ũkĩoneka kũgerera biacara ĩno ya gũtuma indo cia ciuma. Nĩguo. Kwa ihinda rĩrĩ mwĩroreri tũkwamba gũikĩria oro hanini tũthiĩ mwena ũrĩa ũngĩ wa wonjoria twamũkĩre riboti ciĩgiĩ wonjoria na thutha ũcio Ken Maina nĩ egũkorwo agĩtũmenyithia ciĩgiĩ mathako ndũkae gũthiĩ haraya.